You doing it?
What's up? What's up? This is a Crayola by Spayrola at McDonald's. So let's do this. Okay, the first step you don't do the Crayola buys is when you're going to McDonald's. Make sure you wear a mask to McDonald's. Hey, get the one big bag. What was that? What you want? Big Mac and chicken nuggets.
Then can we have a Big Mac meal with no cheese, please?
Big Mac meal with what, sorry?
No cheese.
Yeah, one drink.
Diet Coke.
Yeah.
2
Okay.
double cheeseburgers.
Yeah.
And medium fries.
Yeah.
That's all, thanks.
Yeah, delicious.
Thank you.
And make sure you wear a mask to McDonald's when you order the McDonald's food. So, yeah, you order Sorry if this is a phone, that's my phone, and just I'm recording on my mouth. Okay, I don't have a camera. I recorded my old iPad off my new iPad. I made the video I did actually got released. The dash got taken down. My mommy has to send it to my daddy, and I never did. I released that video like 3,000 weeks ago. Yeah, so when you go to McDonald's, make sure you wear a mask so you don't get the cough. Okay? Okay, that was step 2, where you're going to. Okay, so when you're going to, you must always wear a mask. Only on the bus, so okay. That what it is at my school. Just wear a mask on the bus at home time, and I want to go to school. Yeah, just wear any of your fish a castle, and you have to cough. My gosh. No. At my school, just wear the mask on the bus. So, then. Okay, when you're at home with people, don't invite over people to your house. Hey man, you want to come over to my house? So, do not do this. Here's the least thing you should do. Man, you want to come? Make sure. No, I don't want to come. Why? Because you forgot about the Crayola buys, man. Oh yeah, don't come then. Okay, go back. Step 4. Don't go over to other people's houses. Wait, that was just Mommy, what's step 4? So far I've done McDonald's, the food. Yeah. Also, wash your hands like this. Dub. Say any kind of song. Say happy birthday. Just say a Crayola by song, okay? And wash your hands for 24. What number is that again? 20 seconds. Always. So that's the end of the video.